Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my March 2020 SugarMuses Deluxe Muse Box. Looks like the theme is Ostara. It's got a little art. Look at this last. Ooh, my little envelope is kind of an off-white today with a different type sticker. And I will lift it very gently. Almost. Let's see what my oracle card is. Botanical inspirations. It's Gladiola. Strength of character and moral integrity. Yes, please. Very beautiful tissue paper. The smell is very nice. Here's their card. I very much like this container for incense, and it's cranberry, and it smells wonderful. Good amount of incense. A tea bag. This is lovely. A candle with a little leaf on it. Smells like beeswax, which I think is a lovely smell. A little Tootsie Roll, probably going to go straight to my son. I don't eat Tootsie Rolls. Let's see what we got here. Nice little green bag. Save these bags, you can use them forever for different sachets and mojos and etc, etc, etc. Ooh! We've got a Flora Oil. Different container, but I've gotten this oil from them in years past. But at this point I've gotten 2 years of boxes, so. Ooh, very different container. It's got a little, yeah, unless it's a different formulation, which is entirely possible. We've got our Herbal floor wash. I love these kind of things. They're very practical to me. An herbal offering, I also save those. I almost exclusively use them in campfires to bless the trip. Oh, a beautiful Wheel of the Year pendant. Very nice. Very cool. Liking that a lot. Red Currant Organic Tea. Has strawberry leaf, blackberry leaf, hibiscus flower, rose hips, juniper berry, acerola powder, and natural flavor. Very cool. Oh, we got an incense burner. Hey! Very nice. Gifts, Ostara gift box. Okay, we've got a little ring here. We've got some little bunny grass. Ah, the bunny grass is getting everywhere, just like on the holidays. Oh, oh Lord have mercy, it's all over me. Hold on. Oh boy. That's so sweet. We got a little selenite eggie. Oh, I love it. Alright, let's see what this is. Okay. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, wow. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's kind of covered. Hold on. Sneezing in my shirt. Okay. There we go. Look at this beauty. I very much love this. This is very, very, very beautiful. I've always wanted one of these. Amazing. This was a very cool box. Let's read what it says. Just gonna back that up a little so you can see all the goodies there. And I'm covered in grass and styrofoam. Alright. Spring Equinox. One of the 8 festivals of the Wheel of the Year Star is named after the Scandinavian goddess of spring, or by her Anglo-Saxon name, Eoster. Eoster or Oster. She is also said to be a goddess of fertility and the dawn. The first mention of her was in the 8th century when pagans held a feast for her on the full moon. One legend tells that Eoster, finding a bird wounded on the ground late in the winter season to save its life, she transformed it into a hare. But the transformation was not a complete one. The bird took the appearance of a hare but retained the ability to lay eggs. The hare would then decorate these eggs and leave them as gifts to Eostar. So spells to cast: abundance, fertility, new love, growth, balance, prosperity, and new beginnings. Focus on rebirth and growth with symbols of young animals, hares, eggs, baskets, and spring flowers such as apple blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, daisy, crocus, and daffodils. It goes on. So basically, berry incense stick, check. Wooden incense holder, check. It's got little moons and stars. It's very cool. Just in case you didn't see. Herbal floor wash. Spring is a time to shake off the old and start anew. This is one of the reasons spring cleaning is so popular. Magical floor washes are a common part of spiritual cleansing and seasonal cleaning. I've included an herbal blend that can be added to half a cup of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt. You may also add cascarilla powder if you have it. Dilute 3 parts hot water to 1 part wash and strain out the herbs when the mixture has cooled. I suggest cleaning your floors with the method you traditionally use, then do a final rinse with this wash. Very cool. Flora Ritual Oil. Anoint your shake before using. Anoint your pulse points and third eyes. It has jasmine, magnolia, chamomile, lily, patchouli, and oak moss in almond oil and vitamin E oil. So it's really pretty. It's got like little eggs. Light your hand rolled ritual candle. It's spelled to promote personal growth, new beginnings to celebrate the season. A selenite carved eggs, representing new beginnings, fertility, and the beginning of new life. Herbal offering is blended to honor Ostara and includes yarrow, jasmine, meadowsweet, orris root, tansy, honeysuckle, and calendula. The Wheel of the Year tile. This beautiful plaque celebrates the 8 Sabbats of pagan calendar, with each wedge representing a Sabbat of the year. A central trickle involves the eternal movement of time. Evokes the eternal movement of time. These pieces may be featured on your altar on a flat surface or hung on a wall behind your altar. It is made out of resin and hand stained in a wood finish. Slight variations in the finish enhances the plaque magic and uniqueness. Very cool. Red currant organic tea, Wheel of the Year pendant, Ostara art print, and intuitively drawn oracle card by Botanical Inspirations. So very cool. A lot of really, really nice items. I love this little egg. This tile is very cool. I love it. Very, very cool. And everything is really cool. I'm just hating this. This thing is stuck on me. So very cool. Thank you so much. I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.